Welcome back to the training session of SmartERP POS. We shall continue towards our next chapter, which is the creation of product type in the system of SmartERP POS. In this chapter, we shall cover in detail how to create a product type in the SmartERP POS. To create a new product type, tap on the option of product type on the quick access options. Then tap on the New button at the bottom right of your screen. You will be able to input the name of the product type. Once done, tap on the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. So to summarize this chapter, we have seen how to create a product type in the SmartERP POS system. For more training, visit our YouTube channel or scan the QR code as shown here. Thank you for watching and good luck.